Mine Trail. Here's the beginning of it. Okay, see how far I get. We'll see. Well, I'm part of the way up. There's a view still way down at the bottom of the trail here. It's up, up, up. I think it's, if you go all the way, it's 1,100 foot climb. And it's just steep going up here. All right, but you get some nice views along the way. Early in the morning, it's 25 of October, I believe, almost 10 o'clock in the morning. All right. Well, I just made another little stop along the trail. Trail goes down there. Shadow Man is there again. All right. And you get a little breezy up here, going off into the sun up here, but the trail goes, and it goes zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. All right, let's see how far I can get. Okay. Well, another view from just a little further up on the trail. You can see all in there. A little haze right over in that area, but right here it's nice and clear. Look at that hills up there. A lot of greenery up there. A little breeze blowing. I don't have my little cover on the GoPro, so you might hear some wind. Didn't think I'd need it. So it's only so much I can carry. I'm only one man. I can only do so much here. No staff. No interns. No nothing. All right. Here's the trail. It's going to go back up here and go switchbacks. Okay. Well, it's a little breezy, but there's another spot just a few feet from the other one. You can see down the valleys down there. I think the trail goes up there somewhere. I don't know. I'm going to go as much as I can here. Do as much as I can here. So there's the other one that we just saw a few minutes ago. All right. There's another bench. I might take a rest there for a little bit. All right. Okay, there's in back of me. Coming up here in front of me. And I'll do a little vid as I walk. I'm going to walk slow so I don't trip. Excuse me, fall off the edge here. And that's a well-marked trail here. Taking my time here. It's all uphill. It's all uphill. There's no flat areas here. So it's just zip, 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 zip. Uppity, uppity, uppity. Take a look to Meyer out there. How quiet it is. You just hear the breeze up here. They said it could be mountain lions and bears up here. Haven't seen any. They said just make yourself look big. And I am pretty big, but look. All right, gotta turn this off. I'm tripping on the rocks here.
The thrill of victory and the agony of defeat. Another one bites the dust.
Oh, buddy.
Okay, trail got the best of me.
Got help coming down. And
blood's all over the place here, but.
So where'll we hit?
His nose.
Okay, but head.
Yeah, I think it hit my nose. I tripped, fell down right on the edge of one of those rocks.
Nose, but,
so
you tripped, you fell, but you remember what happened?
Yeah.
Okay, you didn't lose consciousness?
No. I got up. Not looking too good here. Blood down there.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, I was gonna actually suggest you should get it out and do a little filming.
I fell back there. Got people first aid, whatever here. I think I fell on that rock, face first. My nose hit it, I couldn't stop. Might have tripped on that one, or I might have hit that one. No, I think I hit that one. There's remnants of my blood, left my mark here. Blood.
And I think you got all three rocks.
There will be blood there. So I hit my leg on this one, my face on that one, and whatnot. Did the best that I could though. Here's trusty guide Andrew that gave me first aid here, so not near death or anything. Just hope I'm not disfigured more than I am.
You don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody instead of a bum, which is what I am. Let's face it.
On our way to the hospital here. Hey, got the things in my nose here. All right. Doing it all for that one-man travel here. Okay. Back on the road here. I've got some better stuff in here now. It look like a walrus here. Like I have the walrus here. Okay. So, but these should stop. The other ones were leaking out and everything, so this should work out better. And got some chips here to eat. Get some energy back. So we got like 85, 90 miles to go to get to the hospital here. So it's not close by. All right. Well, we're at the hospital in Alpine. We're here. Going to have the kid taken care of here.
Welcome to
Okay.
Big Bend Regional Medical Center.
All right. It was a long drive here, but we're here. Okay, I'm in the hospital now. We're going to start working on a kid here pretty soon, so we'll see how that goes here. Filling out all the paperwork now, though. You know how it is. We got the doc here. He's all right. He's going to take care of me here. He's put something in there now. He's coming back to cut it out here, but okay. Let's get back and let the doctor do it.
Just got to do it out.
Yeah, it's kind of like Andrew did on my leg there when he ran over the trail.
Dude, that's not cool.